In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect adknot.ai with slvd.ai to whitelist your stores and scan them for free. After signing into slvd.ai, first open the dashboard and click on My adknot.ai stores. Here, copy the generated connection string. Once copied, you're done on slvd.ai for now. Next, go to adknot.ai. Enter your account details, then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, the adknot.ai dashboard will open. Now go to Profile in the upper right corner and paste the copied generated connection string from slvd.ai under the connection string. Then click Connect. This connection will whitelist your add-on stores, meaning they can now be scanned completely for free. Once the connection is successful, your store will appear as connected. Finally, go back to the slvd.ai dashboard, click Refresh Stores, and your stores will appear. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.